Today we're talking desks, and not just any kind of desk, but a motorized one that goes up and down. Well, actually that's about it, but there's more to it than that. My name is Chris, this is Coalition Gaming, and today I'll be your computer technician, or desk technician? Real quick, if you guys are new around here and are into PC gaming, hardware, streaming related videos, stuff like that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you don't miss a single upload. With that out of the way, let's get to the video. One more thing, special thanks to Autonomous for sending this desk over for us to check out. This isn't a paid review or anything like that, all thoughts are my own. So having recently completed my gaming office studio setup, link down below by the way if you want to check that out, my eye for office furniture has changed a little bit. The utility a sit-stand electric desk brings to any setup is massive, and if I can suggest for someone who is looking for a desk to get something like this, I would now do that 100% of the time, if they can afford to do so. Anyways, let's get to the specs. The desk Autonomous sent over today is their SmartDesk home office model. This one is the black top with the black frame. They do have other color combination choices available as well, like white top, white frame, or even oak top and bamboo top options with a gray frame. You can check out the different options on their website, link below in the description, of course. This is the standard size model, though they do also offer XL models that are quite a bit larger. The standard size model is currently going for $379 on their website, and hey, free shipping, so that's nice. The tabletop is 53 inches long, 29 inches wide, and a thickness of 1 inch of an MDF wood variety. The frame and legs are made of steel, and the entire system is driven by a dual motor design. The good dual motors and steel framing help for this desk to have a lifting capacity of up to 300 pounds, which is actually a big deal in its price range. Similarly priced competitors' desks, of which I own one actually, only have about half this lifting capacity. So you've got nothing to worry about when it comes to loading this thing up. I laid across the top of it and it lifted me up no problem, and I weigh a little over 200 pounds. That's not something I would have tried with my other electric desk, but this one handled it no problem. Assembly is quoted as taking 15 to 30 minutes, but it ended up taking me about an hour. Note to self, do this on carpet instead of hardwood to avoid scuffing the tabletop if you attach the legs the way the instructions show. The convenience of using this as a normal desk, then switching to a standing position with it, is made even easier via Programmable Control Box. You can set the desk to 4 different profiles for 4 different heights and have it automatically adjust at the press of a button. It can go as low as 29.5 inches and as high as 48 inches. The programmable box though, super useful, and something some cheaper competitors don't actually have. Ask me how I know. Given the size, I have no doubt anyone could fit their entire multi-monitor setup with PC up on top of the desk too. Only downside for me with the desk is since I have 30-inch interior doors in my house, with this tabletop being 29.5 inches, it's actually too tight of a fit when you factor the door being in the way when trying to take it out. So to move this from room to room in my house, I actually have to detach the tabletop, take it and the frame to the next room, then reattach it. Freaking rip, dude. So if you have 30-inch doors in your house, be aware of that. Anyways, that pretty much sums it up for me. This dual motor sit-stand electric desk from Autonomous is solid as a rock, and if it's in your budget, I definitely recommend it. The price may sound steep at first, but if you check around, you'll see that it's right in line for dual motor sit-stand desks with these kinds of features. If anything, the additional weight capacity included tabletop and built-in cable grommets are a nice touch. Still, the 5-year warranty is nice as well. Drop a comment down below, let me know if an electric sit-stand desk is something you've been keeping an eye out for, and tell me why. Let's talk desks in the comments, yeah? Everybody who uses a PC has a desk, so it's safe to say pretty much everyone would have an opinion on stuff like this, right? Anyways, make sure to follow us on our Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff, link down in the description below, and if you haven't already, click that subscribe button and hit that like button on your way out. See you next Friday for another video. Thanks for watching, bye. Oh yeah, don't forget, we have plenty of other videos for y'all to check out. Click right over there, either of them, or click both. We got all sorts of stuff, so make sure you check out our catalog of content. I'm still pointing at them. Did you click one yet?